Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us encounter when trying to set up a LAN network using PON routers in our village. The issue we face is that even though we live close to each other, the increased pain caused by the distance to the OPT makes direct communication between our PON routers difficult. We're wondering if we can utilize the POS in our village to establish a local network, with one of us acting as a gateway. Let's explore this problem further and see what solutions are available to us. In analyzing the problem at hand, we come to understand that using a PON between ONTs without the ISP's active components is not feasible. The uplink and downlink signals operate on separate wavelengths, and the uplink lambda only travels back to the OLT and not to the other ONTs. This limitation prevents us from creating a direct peer-to-peer network using our existing PON infrastructure. So, it looks like we'll need to reconsider our approach if we want to establish a LAN network within our village. Solution: unfortunately, we cannot rely solely on the passive optical splitter, POS, in our village to facilitate direct communication between our PON routers. The unique wavelength setup and routing restrictions in PON technology prevent us from creating a local network without the involvement of the ISP's active components. While the POS plays a crucial role in distributing the optical signals, it does not provide the necessary functionality to establish a peer-to-peer network between our routers. In summary, setting up a LAN network with PON routers within our village poses a challenge due to the limitations of the technology. Direct communication between ONTs without the ISP's active components is not possible, as the uplink and downlink signals operate on different wavelengths. While the POS in our village may help distribute optical signals, it cannot substitute for the active components required to establish a local network. Thanks for joining us today, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this networking dilemma. Networking PON intended.